What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? Indie Jamma Jones here, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the C7 roller skates. That's right, so grab your skates, lace them up tight, and let's roll. I did an unboxing video a few months ago with a bunch of skates that I haven't tried out yet, and I asked you guys which ones you wanted to see the most. You said all of them, but C7 is definitely top of the list, so I'm here to give you what you want. All right, today I'm in Galveston. The weather's a bit moody. It's actually very windy, and all of the audio didn't work, so we're doing a voiceover this time. My very first impression is I love the color. That's kind of why I got these. They match my Impala mules perfectly, but you know, just because they're pretty doesn't mean they're gonna work, so I gotta get my foot actually in this skate. So far, this sizing is true to size. I'm a women's 8. It fits without being too snug. My toes have wiggle room, but it's also not too loose. These skates are selling for $139.95 on C7's website, but on Amazon, you can get them for $72.99. I'm going to put a link to the ones on Amazon, but be sure to listen to my entire review before you decide if you want to make this purchase or not. Okay, so immediately as I'm rolling, the first thing I noticed is that these are incredibly uncomfortable. They fit properly, like my toes aren't squished, but it's putting this intense pressure on my pinky toe, making it really hard to push forward. And actually, the more I skate, the more I would say they're not just uncomfortable, they're actually painful. But I really want to give these skates a good chance, so maybe they'll break in. Fingers crossed. You can see as I'm skating back, it's really starting to hurt. I think I'm telling the camera like, ow. I tried loosening the laces around the toe and it helps a little bit. You could see the boot bulging out and it's taking a bit of that pressure off, but it's still pretty painful. When I do my reviews, I like to imagine that I'm a new skater. I just spent all my money on these and I'm so excited. So I'm really holding out hope that they're gonna break in. So let's take a look at some of the other components. The plates and the trucks on these are metal, which is a good sign, especially for these lower price point skates. And the toe stop is actually an adjustable toe stop, which is surprising for the price point. When I'm rolling forward, they feel nice and stable under my body. They don't feel squirrely. Whenever I push one direction, I actually go that direction. When I use my edges, it works. And they're the toe stops being put to use. And they're actually doing pretty good for the first try. My friend Gabby is helping me film, and she actually got asked by this girl to take a picture, and they're wearing the same exact outfit. Like, it looks like they're doing a photo shoot together, but they don't even know each other. Anyways. My foot still hurts, unfortunately, and it needed a little break, so I'm taking my skate off and we're doing a change of location. We just have to watch out for these crazy seagulls. You know, don't look up with your mouth open. All right, so I'm just trying to break these in, and here's the good news, is once I took them off and put them back on my feet, things kind of settled in place, and they aren't necessarily painful anymore. I mean, I wouldn't call them comfortable, but at least they don't hurt. All right, so now I'm going to go fast. We need to put these wheels and bearings to the test, see how fast they can go, and we also need to put the stoppers to the test. Let's see if I stop. Oh, all right, they worked pretty good. If you've watched my reviews before, you know that I always do a spin test on the wheel. I like to skate a little bit first, get it broken in, and then give it a spin. So the roll on that isn't super impressive. And, that's just straight up bad. So these bearings are not very quality. When you get up close, you can see the toe stop is already starting to wear down, so that's not gonna last very long. And the wheels are starting to chunk, so they're not very good quality either. Overall, I would say these skates aren't dangerous like some of the other ones I've reviewed, but the parts are gonna hinder you from skating if you're trying to progress. Instead of the C7, I actually recommend the Chaya Melrose Deluxe. They're a bit pricier, but you really get a lot of bang for your buck. So I'm gonna put a link for those in the description. I also have an in-depth review for these on my channel if you wanna learn more about why I love them so much. Thank you so much for watching my review. I hope it was helpful, but don't forget, that's just my opinion. So I wanna know from you guys, have you tried this skate before? Do you like it? What do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, later skaters.